Alright guys, let's get all cozy because in today's video we're going to talk about 5 different money-making apps and websites that I've tested before that actually paid me. And in case you're new to my channel, this is part 2 of my ongoing series where I show you different apps and websites that I've tested before and show you payment proof. That way you don't have to waste your time testing out different apps and websites that never pay you what they promise.
That was very nice.
So let's jump into it. So number 1 on our list is the Pawns app. So in case you're not familiar, Pawns is an app that allows you to earn cash by doing things like surveys, testing apps, and then my favorite, by sharing your unused internet. I mean, let's be real, it doesn't get more passive than that. So I actually recently tested this app and filmed an entire dedicated video where I go over all the little details of like how you earn money, how much you can expect to earn for each little task. And it's actually a pretty fun video. It's kind of a vlog style video. So if you want to know exactly how much I was able to make with each task that I just mentioned, you can check that video out down below. And in general, it's a really fun watch. So obviously I was able to make money with this app and I was able to cash out. This is my payment proof right here. Again, these apps are not designed to replace your full-time job, but there's actually a pretty fun way to make extra money on the side from doing fun little tasks like surveys and playing games. Honestly, it was mostly playing games. So if you're interested in the Pawns app, I'll include my link down below, which you will get a little cash bonus if you use my link. So make sure to check it out today. All right, number 2 on our list is Fundrise, which is a little bit different because it is technically an investing app. So in fact, many of you who are watching me right now might have found me back in the day through my Fundrise videos. So in case you never heard of Fundrise before, it is a real estate investing platform that allows users to invest in high quality real estate projects for as little as $10. So the first time I heard of this app, I was very intrigued because I personally always wanted to invest in real estate, but we all know that real estate is quite unaffordable these days. And platforms like Fundrise are pretty much crowdfunding platforms that allows you to pool money with different investors to invest in those big real estate projects. During the few years when I was investing actively on Fundrise, I was actually able to make quite a bit of money in terms of both appreciation as well as dividends, because you do receive dividends as an investor. And unlike what a lot of people thought, you are able to cash out your money on Fundrise. It actually wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I did cash out a portion of it because I did need money to invest in a different project earlier this year. And thankfully that amount also included the dividends and appreciation that I earned over the years. But anyway, here's my payment proof with all the dividends that I earned over the years. And if you want to see more of those Fundrise videos that I was talking about, I will include the playlist down below. So the next one on the list is Udemy, which once again, some of you might have also discovered my channel through my Udemy videos, which I used to film quite a bit back in the day. As probably a lot of you know, Udemy is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses in various subjects. Pretty much it's a platform where you can learn new skills or earn money by creating your own courses. So back in 2021, I decided to do a little experiment and create my own course. It was a pretty short mini course where I teach people different interview skills. In case you guys didn't know, I am a former Amazon recruiter. I was recruiting big tech for many years before I decided to go full-time on YouTube. So let's just say I knew quite a bit about interviewing. And so I decided to create that course back in 2021. And spoiler alert, I am still earning money every single month, even though it's been about 3 years since then. So your earnings on Udemy depend on a lot of different things. For example, things like, you know, the topic of the course that you pick, the demand for that topic, the quality of your course, where you are located, and things like that. So there are quite a few people who are called like the 1% on Udemy who are making like 5-figure income from the Udemy courses. What I notice is usually it's a lot of people who are covering pretty technical courses, and they usually have multiple courses, which, you know, my course didn't fall into that category and I only have one. So I didn't make any like life-changing amount of money, but it has been a pretty cool little passive stream of income over the past few years. Here are all my different payment proofs of what I've received over the years. Again, earnings can fluctuate quite a bit, but I did earn money from being a Udemy instructor, and honestly, it wasn't even that hard. So if you are interested in creating a course, but are not ready to market or don't yet have your own audience, Udemy could be a great place to start. Anyways, next one on our list is Upwork. So Upwork is a freelancing marketplace that connects clients with skilled professionals across various industries for mostly remote job opportunities. So back in the day, I actually used to freelance on this platform quite a bit. I've actually covered Upwork before. If you guys missed any of my old videos, if you did, make sure to subscribe so that doesn't happen again. So back when I first started dabbling into this freelancing world and was looking for like additional ways to make money, Upwork is actually one of the very first platforms that I tested and ended up getting paid from. Pretty much on Upwork, you can provide a variety of different types of services, unlike what a a lot of people think. It's not just things like, design or development, things like that. I've seen a lot of people earn money on Upwork through things like being a virtual assistant or a writer or like a video editor or I don't know, like a word editor. I've hired a lot of people with that skill set before. So I personally used to provide a lot of services that had to do with resume writing, interview coaching, like career coaching because of my background in recruiting. And actually my husband also provided services such as HR consulting or software implementation and a variety of different things. So again, the earnings can vary significantly depending on your skill set, the demand, again, the country that you're based in. But I used to charge between like $100 to $200 for 1 hour consultation, or up to $300 for like a one-time resume overhaul and things like that. And then I believe my husband used to get paid about like $75 an hour for sometimes a 40-hour work week to be a consultant in various startups. So Upwork can be a pretty great place to earn money. So I'm actually going to include both of our pay stubs, or I don't know, payment proofs up here so you can see. The only downside with Upwork is that you do have to share a portion of your earnings with Upwork as a middle person. I mean, it does make sense because you're doing business on their platform and they need to have money to maintain the platform as well. But as you can see, this is something that could potentially turn into a full-time thing and can actually bring quite a bit of money in if you provide high quality services in the area with high demand. All right, so last but not least is Rakuten, which is once again a different type of app. This one is more focused on cashback. So Rakuten is actually probably one of the most well-known cashback platforms here in the US, where users can earn money by shopping online at partner stores, with rewards paid out through cash or gift cards. So I personally really love cashback apps, especially in the times when you have a lot of big purchases coming up. Like for example, right now is a perfect example. We're getting closer into that holiday season with a lot of expenses and like gifts for friends and family and things like that. So I think during these times, it is very helpful to use cashback apps so that way you can earn additional cash, or I don't know, like reduce your overall expenses through that cashback. I've mostly been receiving cash directly into my PayPal, and here are my payment proofs, or as they call it, the big fat checks. So once again, I know cashbacks are not technically ways that you make money. It's more so, you're making money back on some of the other purchases. But as I always say, like if you're going to be spending money regardless, such as during the holiday season, or whenever you have any big purchases coming up, you might as well make some extra money back so you can spend it on something fun. Anyways, that is pretty much it for me today, guys. If you like this video, I think you're going to like the part 1 as well, which I will include right here. And in general, if you guys love videos about different websites and apps that make you money, first of all, subscribe. Second of all, I'll also include my entire playlist down below just so that you always have new ideas on how you can make extra money from your phone or using your laptop from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!